police officer just sent us to 2 houses. We went and checked on the people and they were okay. Oh, I was thinking we could turn around this thing. Oh, it's too shallow for the motor. Alright, let's turn around with the oars. Let's see if we can put this here. Just turn around. No, I could feel it started hitting debris and stuff. Way too shallow to have it right here. Paddle on your side now. Paddle on your side. Drop yours in right here. Let's spin around this thing. Drop yours in. Yes, like hold it, Caleb. You're trying to steer on this corner. You're making us go up in the trees again. You're helping me. You have to steer. I can now paddle. Absolutely insane. Crazy thing is there's still some people in these houses just sitting there and they don't even want to leave. They just say no, they're going to wait till it goes down. And hopefully it's right. They have enough to live on for however long it's going to be here. I always feel it. Take those off once they leave. Nobody is in that house. At least they didn't come out. There's somebody. Probably planning on staying. He doesn't look too worried about it at all. Need a ride? Yeah? All right. How many you got?
Yo me voy a esperar para más tarde. Sí. Ok. Ok. Ahorita le hablo para atrás. Okay,
There's somebody walking down there too.
Ahora pues.
Lady and a guy.
I don't wanna try to get my truck today out, man.
No, you won't. Yeah, you won't.
No, I won't do that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take my food for the refrigerator.
Okay. How many do you have?
Huh?
How many
How many what?
people?
Me and my son and my brother-in-law, he's over there watching the another house for my sister.
Okay. Okay.
He'll come back. Where are you going now?
We're gonna just take whoever wants to go back over to the land.
So you want to take my food over there? I have the another truck over there.
Over. Where's your truck?
And,
Right here
down there.
Okay.
¿Cómo se llama?
Are you guys wanting to go down there or just the food?
Mijo, vete con él en la lancha. He can go with you and
Yeah.
okay.
So you don't want to get out? You're just sending food to someone?
Huh?
Do you want to get out and leave?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a motel over there by the motel
Okay.
lake,
Okay.
and I'm gonna take my food over there.
Okay.
Pero sí puede con todas las hieleras, güey.
See if you can take them all at once or
Por más cuántos puede
these
llevar.
guys.
We'll just kind of see how it goes. See how much you have. Just, yeah. Get on that side a little bit, Caleb. To weigh it right. Caleb, sit that way.
Yeah, right here. You guys need any more people to be picked up by these guys?
Yeah. Let me put one right here.
It's got a quiet motor. Is it his troll going?
Hey, put your prop up way back.
Yeah, well, once they get kind of loaded in.
That's it. Where I want to take it.
Okay, we can take more. Sit.
Ok, vete con él. Y ya, yo voy a estar aquí más.
Set that one over here on this side, Kel.
You don't want it up there?
No, we got enough weight up there.
Here, you want to put this back there, too? Here, your feet are on there.